How to viral reels on Facebook. To create viral Facebook reels, you may follow up this step. So first of all, head over to Facebook application and you may head over and go to your profile and head over and start creating up a reel. So there are some criteria if you would like to make your reels faster. The thing is you need to make high quality contents that resonates with your target audience and leverages trends. So you need to stay up to date with popular sounds, musics, and challenges to increase your content's visibility and reach. And the thing is, whenever you're trying to create any kind of reel, you need to provide them popular hashtags so that you can reach to a wider audience. So there are different hashtags. You can type in hashtag trend, trending video, something like that. And you can just go ahead and use clear, concise captions that encourages viewers to interact and use a mix of broad and niche hashtags to reach a wider audience. Reels are primarily viewed on mobile device. So the thing you need to do is ensure that the reels are optimized for vertical viewing. You need to make vertical videos for your reels as mostly people use mobile phone while they are watching reels. So use vertical videos for that. After that, you can encourage viewers to like, comment, and share. For example, you can just go ahead and like, comment, and share the video for this as well. You can look out for subscribe option and subscribe button. Use the subscribe button for our channel as well. And that way you can also increase your Facebook's Reels audience and make it viral. And the thing is you need to be very consistent while you are posting. You need to, for example, if you're posting in the morning, make sure you're posting in the morning each week so that you will be having that kind of audience reach and it will track your performance, analyze and improve it. So you can try experimenting with different kind of things within the Facebook application as well, and that way also you can follow up and make your reels viral on your Facebook. But for now you may just follow up these things, encourage engagement, as that are also key to boosting your reach and maximizing your chances of going viral. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.